Hello everyone, welcome to my mathematics class. It is word problems on addition and subtraction. In the previous video lecture, we already discussed about addition subtraction of decimals. In this module, we discuss about word problems on addition and subtraction, multiplication of decimals, division of decimals. So example 1, Ram purchased 6.345 kg of rice, 2.350 kg sugar and 10.350 kg atta. Find the total weight of his purchases. Quantity of rice purchased 6.345 kg. Quantity of sugar purchased 2.350 kg. Quantity of atta purchased 10.350 kg. Now add these decimal numbers: 6.345, 2.350, 10.350. So 5, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 4, 14, 4 carry over 1, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 carry over 1, 6, 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, that is 1. So 19.045 kilogram. Thus, total weight of his purchase is equal to 19.05 per kilogram. Now, what must be subtracted from 6.75 to get 3.45? So the decimal to be subtracted is equal to 6.75 minus 3.45. You see that is subtraction: 6.75 minus 3.45, 5 minus 50, 7 minus 4, 3, 6 minus 3, 3. So that is 3.30. So the required number is 3.30. Exercise 5D is based upon the word problems on addition and subtraction of decimals. Now we discuss about multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimal by whole number. To multiply a decimal by whole number means the decimal number is the multiplicand and whole number is the multiplier. We multiply whole number ignoring the decimal point. Thus we insert the decimal point in the product in such a way that there are as many decimal places in the product as in the given decimal or multiplicand. You see here, example 1, multiply 6.73 by 8. 673. Now remove the decimal point, and it becomes removing that 673 into 8. Now multiply 8 into 3, 4, 24, 4 carry over 2, 8 into 7, 56 plus 2, 58, 5 carry over 5, 8 into 6, 40, 48 plus 5, 53. So it becomes 5384. The given decimal has two decimal places. You see in 6.3 there are two decimal places, so hence 6.73 into 8 and the product is 5384. First you write 5384 since 6.3 has two decimal places. So in the product, after two digits from the right, put decimal point. So 48 point, then it becomes 53.84. Multiplication of decimal by 10, 100, 1000. 22,397 into 10, that is 2,23,970. So that is 2,239.70. We know that 7,246 into 100 is equal to 7,24,600. Hence 72.46 into 100 means since 100 is multiplied with the decimal number with two decimal places, now the decimal point shifts towards two decimal. Now the decimal point shifts to two digits towards right, then it becomes 7246. So what do we observe? We multiply a decimal number by 10, the decimal point moves to the right by one place. When you multiply a decimal number by 100, the decimal point moves to the right by two places, means the decimal point shifts two digits to the right. To multiply a decimal number by 10, shift the decimal point to the right by one place. Example given 3.48 into 10. So 3.48, there are two decimal place. Now the decimal point shifts to 34.8, means 1 point towards the right. To multiply a decimal number by 100, shift the decimal point to the right by two places. 4.29 into 100. Now the decimal point shifts 2 point to the right, 2 digits to the right. 2 digits to the right means 29, then 429. 3.639 into 100. The decimal point shifts 2 places to the right, that is 63. Here you put the decimal point 369.9. To multiply a decimal number by 1000, shift the decimal point to the right by 3 places, that is 325.625. Since there are 3 zeros in 1, so the decimal point shifts to 3 decimal places towards right, or 3 digits towards right. So it becomes 6.3856 into 1000. Now the decimal point shifts to right by 3 places, that is 1, 2, 3. Now it becomes 6,385.6. Multiply by 10. The multiplication of division decimal by decimal. To multiply a decimal by a decimal, we multiply whole number ignoring the decimal, then we insert the decimal point and the product in such a way that there are as many decimal places in the product as the sum of the decimal places in the given decimal. You see here 3.25 into 0.7. Now remove the decimal point. It becomes 325 into 7. Now multiply 325 into 7. It becomes 1275. The sum of the decimal places in the given decimal, that is 2 plus 1. In the multiplicand there are 2 decimal places. In multiplier there is 1 decimal places. So 2 plus 1, there are in total 3 decimal places. So the product contains 3 places of decimals. 2275. So means from right, after 3 digits we put decimal point. 1, 2, 3 we put decimal, and the 2, that is 2.275. So exercise 5e is all about it, based upon the multiplication of decimals. Now we discuss about division of decimals. Division of a decimal number by whole number. To divide a decimal number by a whole number, we carry out the division by considering the division as whole number. Put the decimal in the quotient when the division of whole number part of dividend gets completed. Divide 13.47 by 3. Now 3 4 is 12. So 13 minus 12, 1. Now there is a decimal point, so put decimal point in the quotient. Now 4, bring down 4, then it becomes 14. So 3 4 is 12, 14 minus 12, 2. Now 7 comes down and it becomes 27. 3 9 is 27, so 27 minus 27, 0. So 13.47 divided by 3 is equal to 4.49. So division of a decimal number by 10. To divide a decimal number by 10, we shift the decimal point in the dividend to the left by 1 place to get the quotient. Divide 35.8 by 10. So 35.8 divided by 10. Now the decimal point shifts to the left by 1 place. Then it becomes 3.58. 374.9 divided by 10. Now the decimal point shifts to the left by 1 place, so 37.49. Divide 0.9 by 10. 0.9 divided by 10 is equal to 0.09. Since there is 1 0 in the 10 of the dividends in the divisor, so the decimal point shifts to the left by 1 place, and it becomes 0.09. So this is the division, the exercise 5F. is based upon the division of decimals. Division of decimal number by whole number and the division of decimal number by 10. Now word problems on multiplication and division of decimals. The price of watch is 225.60 rupees. Find the cost of 8 watches. Cost of 1 watch is equal to rupees 225.60. Cost of 8 watches is equal to 200 rupees 225.60 into 8, and on multiplying it gives rupees 1804.80. Example 3. Thickness of 12 sheets of paper is 2.1 millimeter. Find the thickness of one sheet. Thickness of 12 sheet is equal to 2.186 millimeter. Thickness of one sheet is equal to 2.16 millimeter by 12, which is equal to 0.18 millimeter. Exercise 5G is based upon the word problems on division and multiplication of decimals. And with this, here chapter 5 decimal is completed. Thank you very much.